Yumino inabstretim yumiet. Moyet, suppose, you say make him wrong penis. Bible itok osem, long 10:23 blong Jeremiah. O big pala, may sabi long rot bilong man inostap insight long emyet. Eminostap insight long manusat i-walkabout bilong stiaim all step bilong em. Yumino inabstretim yumiet. Moyet, suppose, you say make him wrong penis. Miminimo osem, you say make him wrong all time, em ka mapasim do life blue, osem you make him wrong. Osem, em ka mapasim do penis. Em hatlo senisim, suppose you tasol by senisim, ha? You can read him Jeremiah yet 13:23. Ating man Ethiopia, eminaplong senisim skin bilongem, o lepat, ol mak bilongem. Alright, you pela tu I can make him good pela pasin. Husat emikastam bilong you pela long walking pasin ogut. Osem lepat, no inapseni sim skin blongem na all black man. No inapseni sim skin blongem. Manusait say lo make him pasin ogut osem. You by kisim time long senis long you yet. Tasol, usait inap walking senis long yumi. Emusait bin kamapim yumi long nating. Because yet bin make him yumi. Inabstretim bek o senisim yumi. Yumi can read him Ezekiel 36. One pela no pela bel two by mi gim yupela. Na one pela no pela spirit by mi putim insight long yupela. Na mi by take away this pela bell stone outside long body bilong yupela. Na mi by give him yupela one pela bell bilong body. Em ko to site in apokim senis number 1 trublo senisim em bell blue. Because senis em by come long bell. Because bell yet is tiaim all get a hap blong yumi yet. Emi bell is tiaim all walk bloman all geta. Ting blue yumi tu em come lo bell. Inaplong yumi ken senis em go to site by walking senis. M by senisim bel blumi pastem. Behind long M senisim bel blumi. M by senisim spirit blumi. M talk. M by gim you no plus spirit. Yumino inap make him long yumi yet long senis. M go to sight by walking senis. Yumi can read him Proverb 16:9. Bel bilong man ikamapimplen bilong rot bilong em. Tasol big pela is tiayim all step bilongem. Em go to sight in abstretim yumi. Na inaplong god ken senisim yumi. Yumi mas harim tok blongem. Yumi ken harim, yumi ken tingim, yumi ken bilipim tok blogod. Yumi bay inap behind him senis. Milain him osem penis. Insight to this congregation. Sampla join him sios. All member blo all narpla lo to be po usait all bin salim kam lomi lo apalit blos pay lomi time all binarim tok blogod all bin senis all no bin kilim miday tas all bin kamap member blosyos planti osem all join mi plapenes na all bin senis because to this platok blogod all bin harim all bin got senis because lohap all tok all ken bagarapi marit. Shos blong all no rausimol maski shos isabe o sem all bagarapi marit stop all goyet long up true all no inapsenis good tasol time all join him shos m one time sorry blogod all binarim school talk all bin senis because school talk blogod inapsenis sim man m talk blogod good pla suppose you harim go m by inapsenis sim you na to Mary blue friend blue pikinini blue papa mama blue Sherim tasol tok blogod longol eminapsen si man tok blogod igat pawa tasol one pa something height emosem this platok blogod emosem mac blo radio time YouTube plus top 1 mac embay gat kay luyo tasol sa posnogat you plabay no bong you bay no senis tu blong 1M because you VHF naraplem UHF you must tap one Mac blow talk blow god. Inaplo YouTube laken got Mac. You must behind ni mem. yu bay senisim mak bloyu. Sapos bipo, yu les do harim tok blogod, now stat long harim. Yu bay pilim, tok blogod gat pawablo senisim yu. Senisim ting ting bloyu, senisim life bloyu, senisim look look bloyu lo life, o like bloyu long life ken senis. Mi sabe lo wan plaman hiya. Mi pinsabe long because businessman. Now, harim doctrine. Tok, Brother Eli, mi les penis lo business blo mi. Blongan mi tok. Lukim, tok, mi bay kirap 6 kilok. Mi stop lo business penis, inaplo 11 kilok night. Mi bay was 12 kilok. Minoga time mo lo pikinini blo mi. Tason now, mi lukim doctrine. Mi harim, tok. Man got need lo make him walk blogod. Tok, osem mo na mi can make him walk blogod. O getasan, mi stop lo business. Osem na now, tok, bay salim one pla business blongem. Isi tasol, tok, mi bay salim big pla apartment blomi. Mi bay move ko tasol lo liklik one. Luk blongem lo life bin senis. Time yu harim tok blogod, yu bay senis. Bay walk lo yu. Tasol, you need lo kisim mak blo tok blogod. God ito ko sem 123 blong proverb. Yu pelatanim long stretim bilong mi. Harim, mi bay kapsaitim spirit bilong mi long yu pela. Mi bay mekim yu pela save long ol tok bilong mi. Yu bay go back lo stretim blogod. Kisim stretim. Biyainim like blogod. Yu bay save long tok. Bay walk lo yu.